Take a ride in the 2015 370Z. With its richly crafted, driver-obsessed cockpit and the world's first Synchro Rev Match manual transmission, the lower, wider, lighter Nissan Z is in a class all its own. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system, backup camera, push button start. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.